Have you ever wanted to browse the internet without leaving a trace? Whether you're researching something private or just want a clean search experience, Google Chrome's Incognito Mode is your go-to feature. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on, both on desktop and mobile, in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you'll see a three-dot icon. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select New Incognito Window. And that's it. You'll notice a new window pop up with a dark background and a small spy-like icon. That's how you know you're now browsing in incognito mode. If you prefer shortcuts, here's an even faster way. On Windows or Linux, press Shift plus Control plus N. On a Mac, press Shift plus Command plus N. It instantly opens a new incognito window, no clicks needed. Now, every new tab you open inside this window will also be incognito. But here's something important. While Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data, it doesn't make you invisible online. Websites you visit, your internet provider, or even your employer can still see your activity. So always read Google's message at the top of the incognito window. It's there to remind you what's private and what's not. And if you're on your phone, it's just as easy. Open Chrome, tap the three dots in the top or bottom corner, and choose New Incognito tab. Done. You're now browsing privately on mobile too, so next time you need a little privacy while surfing, remember, incognito mode is just one click or shortcut away. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another quick tech tip. Thanks for watching, and happy private browsing.